Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yes sir, we're back with more scooter action, boys. So we're getting straight into it today. I want to hit some wheelies. It's been a little bit. I was gone all weekend. I've been dying to hit some wheelies on this. We've been messing with the purple bike a lot lately, and gotta get that thing tuned up a little bit more, but it's not what I'm worried about right now because I'm trying to hit some wheelies. So pull out this red bike. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on for what it is. We're gonna get to action. We're gonna get into a lot of Zuma things today, and I'm hoping that we're gonna get started on the build on the 89. Man, look, I'm already smiling. I'm too stoked on this thing. This is gonna be a full build bike. We just got done. We're not even done. Like I said, we still got more to do with this one, but we just threw it all together. Full build status, pipe, bore, car, manifold, just everything on the motor wise. But we didn't go into the crank. This one right here, full build, baby. We got crank seals, crank bearings. We're splitting cases, we're porting. We got a corsa for it. We got manifold. We got carburetor. Whole dealio, new pipe. You know it. Let's get it. I'm ready. I'm ready. Zuma action today, baby. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't yet. You guys need to hit that post notifications. Let's go, baby. We're just mobbers, bro. Alright boys, it's time. We're getting straight into it. We're pulling apart the blue Zuma. So it's time to build this motor up, and I gotta start stripping this bad boy down. So gotta pull it out, pull the fairings off, pull the motor out, and time to get to work. This thing's pretty much bone stock, so we're gonna see how it goes. I hope that I can get this disc front end set up ASAP. I'm looking for someone who has stock disc pre-bug wheels. Preferably white, but I know it's probably impossible to find because they're usually black. But I will paint them if anything. But if someone has disc wheels for a pre-bug 10-inch in white, please let me know. I'm definitely looking for that, and I'm gonna hopefully get a disc front end set up on here real soon. This is the fun part right here. Going back and forth. I need to organize these better. I need to hang them up. It's always a 10. It's a heavy pipe. Stock piece. Thing's pretty hefty. Whoa, this motor mount has springs in it. That's gnarly. Never seen that before. This lighting right now is going crazy. It's like a strobe light. Motor's out. Gonna pull this wheel off, pull these fan shrouds off. Oh my god, that thing is rusty. Oh yeah, I'm like. Oh, she got new brakes in her. She got new brakes in her. Nice guy. Motor's out. We're gonna take off these fan shrouds, and we're gonna get busy with it. We're gonna get this thing taken apart, baby. Where did my 10mm go? Boys, we're actually about to be mobbing out to Portland here in like 12 hours. Like, we're gonna be mobbing out super early in the morning, and we're going to the ferry to ferry ride. So I hope to see some of you boys out there. But yeah, I haven't packed for that yet. So I'm gonna try to finish this up tonight, edit this video, get it out, and then we're flying to Portland tomorrow, and then the next day we're driving to Seattle, and or it might be the day I get there, driving to Seattle, and then staying there for the ferry to ferry ride. So moving, baby. But right when I come back, this Zuma build's going down, so I'm trying to get it tonight, tearing it apart, so that way right when I come back, it's time to get busy. Clean, simple. Wow, that was not a strong seal at all. I also got to do a whole different trans setup, clutch setup, everything, because everything's stock in this one right now. Cylinder looks cherry. Alright boys, well there she is. Crank feels good in it though, but we got a new crank for it. We got a Malossi crank. I don't want to go through all the parts again because I already showed them. But we got a Malossi crank for it, Polini corsa. We got a Yasuni pipe for it, and we got a Polini carb for it. But it looks like there's already some case shaving down here, maybe for like an oversized pulley at one point or something along those lines. Starters removed, so starter gear was gone. That's how we're looking in there. Overall, looks pretty good. We got a new brake in there. It almost looks like there's a new seal in there too. That seal looks pretty damn new in there. And yeah, she looks pretty healthy. So it's just this little hole right here in the case, but looks like they tried to fill it before. I'm probably just gonna fill that too. It's right under the carb, so fuel will literally leak right there, and then it leaks onto your belt, which is like a no-go because then you're gonna oil in your trans area, and that's never fun. But there she is. There's the pre-bug taken all apart, ready to be built, and yeah, the brake shoe even matches there. So let me know what you guys think I should run for trans setup wise. I literally need to do everything, so comment down below what you guys think, and that's gonna do it for this video. It's a short one. Was hoping to get more done, but run out of time. Like I said, I leave in like 12 hours, something like that, so gonna edit this video and post it because I didn't want to go like a week without posting. But yeah boys, I'm stoked. Can't wait to get this Zuma in the works. Next time I'm gonna split the cases, and we're gonna probably do some porting and case matching. Excited to build this thing. I'm excited to get back and put this Zuma together. So I'll see you guys in the next one.